Morning team, it's Thursday, December 13. CPI today in New York, and tomorrow is FOMC. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a quiet London Open. Usually they like to accumulate liquidity, both sides, to make shenanigans. Yesterday I tweeted about the inside day. Well, I'm gonna show you charts. Let's go to charts, easier. Yesterday I tweet about this candle, and I say that they will close as an inside day. So basically, yesterday candle is smaller than the previous day. They didn't take nor the high or the low. What does that mean? Liquidity everywhere. There is a beautiful strategy by trader Dante. He posted a few years ago on Twitter. I don't know if you can still look it for it. That if they take one of the two sides, then close inside the ridge again, they're probably gonna go for the other side. So let's say they take the lows and then close again inside the range, then probably the next day they're gonna go to the highs, and vice versa. Look for it because it's a good one, in my opinion. Anyway, it closes an inside day, they're accumulating liquidity everywhere because the news are coming, and it's gonna be some fireworks here. Levels haven't changed much, in my opinion. There is liquidity below this swing low, and there is a lot of liquidity above these highs. Okay, let's go to hourly charts. H12, pretty much the same thing. The curve is forming up. This looks like distribution to me. If I see a big shenanigans upside and then instant rejection, I'm gonna look for shorts. I'm gonna favor shorts, but right now I don't see the reason yet. And look, I'm not a big fan of the classical technical analysis, but you can't deny that this wedge is getting ridiculous clear. You know, this trend line. Bulls are losing power. You know, doesn't mean it's gonna go down straight, but maybe they're gonna manipulate and going down, or maybe they're gonna just going up. I don't know, but this is like a classic wedge. Okay, technical analysis 101. H4, pretty much the same thing. This origin remained untested. A lot of liquidity everywhere, above, below. Yesterday I said that H4 was technically still high, and they wanted this low in order to look for longs. They never took the lows. Support held. It was tested here. They held support and went all the way up. And they missed longs because my trading plan say to not take trades with big liquidity behind, and there was a big liquidity pool here. So technically I'm not angry at myself because I respected my trading plan, but in hindsight I should have seen that all these H1 bullish close were designed to look for longs because low time frame was up, and I missed the move. And also I tried to short but never got filled, but whatever. Anyway, H4 doesn't tell me much yet. Actually it start to look like a little bit like it's like closing down, you know. They're compressing price, they're compressing it. Something else I've noticed, that is forming a beautiful range. Let me show you. Technically right now we should look for shorts. I had a video on my channel for a while, then I removed it because I didn't want to do the course, the whole, like basically when a range forms to look shorts in premium and longs in discount. Same thing is happening now here. I should favor shorts if I see some opportunity here, okay? Because we are in premium and there is a lot of liquidity below. But again, I need some clarity, and right now at hourly is still up. So let's have a look to H1. Maybe it's cleaner. Yes, there is some kind of hourly sponsorship here. You know, I love rejection blocks. I love them. Big weeks for me are always like a guarantee. Yesterday, I wanted to. I look for shorts in this one, in here, and he touched, never RTO'd, and dumped straight down. This was a beautiful move. I wanted shorts in this rejection because it was not tested, and I never got a fill, but they can do the same thing today. Look at this big weak rejection, untested, never got tested, never mitigated, which took this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours of price action, took the high and instantly dumped. It's not a true H1 BMS, but it's a legit move down. So, and we are in premium, as I showed you on H4 range. So technically, this is an hourly sponsorship I look for. If I see low time frame confirmation here, an M5, M15 shift, then I'm allowed to short. I don't know if I'm gonna hold until these lows. I don't think so. Usually 2-3 hours and I'm out. But this is our trade basically. Let's have a look to low time frame. This is the same H1 rejection I marked, but on low time frame. Can you see it? Well, you can redefine. Maybe we're gonna go up here. Oh, what I did. Well, whatever. You can redefine on low time frame. I think is enough if we go here in this origin untested. If I see low time frame here confirmation, I have to take shorts. Something like this. I would allow to take shorts. You know, nothing. I think this is enough for me today. There is a big news in New York. I don't trade during the news. Either I trade before or after. So London close may offer some clarity. They take direction. Also, I was thinking for the next days, during the Christmas time, if I am home and I have time, maybe we can make some live streaming video for trade ideas. You know, I don't want to go through my trading plan or things like this, but like for example, if I saw some trade ideas or some trade I take, I can review with you all instead of doing the technical analysis video because I'm not going to trade in Christmas time. But we can make some trade ideas video. If you like the idea, let me know on the community tab and we discuss together. That's enough for me today. See you tomorrow.